Well, after the introduction of poem named From a Railway Carriage written by Robert Louis Stevenson, now I am going to teach you that poem in detail. Let's see. Faster than fairies, faster than witches. It means the train is moving so fastly than fairies and witches. Fairies means a divine lady having a magic stick, and witches means ghost. It means that train is moving forward so fastly that fairies and witches also can't run like her. Bridges and houses, hedges and ditches. Bridges, houses, hedges and ditches seem to fly fast. It means bridges, houses, ditches and hedges. Four things also are moving forward fastly like a train. Next, and charging along like troops in a battle. Imagination is done here. That train is compared to an army of soldiers that is moving forward so fastly to attack on the enemy force. Next, all through the meadows and horses and cattle. It means the train passes by meadows on which horses and cattle grazing there. Next, all of the sides of the hill and the plain fly as thick as driving rain. It means the scenes of hills and plains raised by like a heavy rain, being driven forward by strong stormy winds. See, hills and plains also are moving fastly like a rain that is driven forward by the stormy winds. Next, and ever again in the wink of an eye, painted stations whistle by. It means in the blink of an eyelid, during that small period, as the train whistles there and the image of a railway station flashes by. Next, here is a child who clambers and scrambles. It means there is a child, he is seen clambering and scrambling. It means who climbs in a hurry, sometimes using both hands and feet. For what? To collect the blackberries from thorny bushes. Next, here is a tramp who stands and gazes. Gaze means to look continuously. Poet saw there a boy who stand there and stares continuously towards the train. Next, and here is the green for stringing the daisies. It means the train passes by a green field covered with daisies that are strung together to make the garlands. Through those curves field, the train is moving forward. Next, here is a cart run away in the road, lumping along with man and load. Poet saw there a man in a loaded cart moves along down the village road. It means there is a bullock cart, in that there is a man and load also. Next, and there is a mill and there is a river. As well as poet saw there was a mill on the bank of the river. Next, each a glimpse and gone forever. It means he says that I saw all things only briefly. Glimpse means briefly. Those things are gone forever. When train was moving forward, all things were going backward, like our bus. During the journey of poet, he observed each and everything carefully and express here in this poem for us. Sometimes such things happen with us also. We feel lonely when we lost those scenes through bus, car or a railway. Hope you enjoy it.